Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Ragi Dosai. This dosai with a bowl of sambar and vadai is one of the easiest and healthy breakfast recipe. Very easy and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 2 ladles full of dosa batter. I've already made a video on how to make dosa batter at home. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Then to this add 2 tablespoons of ragi flour. I've also made a video on how to make ragi flour at home. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it as well. Then to this add little water and mix well again. I've already added salt in my dosa batter. If you don't have salt, then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Ragi is high in protein, natural weight loss agent, prevents your skin from aging, good for your hair, loaded with calcium, keeps you relaxed and prevents colon cancer. Now we have the proper consistency and our ragi dosa batter is now ready. So let's go and make the ragi dosai. Heat a dosa tawa and pour in a ladle full of dosa batter and spread it using the same ladle. Drizzle some ghee on top and let this cook for a minute. After a minute, one side is nicely done and golden brown, so let's now remove it. Serve it nice and hot with some sambar and vadai and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and an instant recipe with no compromise in the taste of regular dosai. So do try this ragi dosai recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.